face, King MacDonald is feeling pretty down. 'Cause his son is dead, he ain't got no more around. He does have one daughter, but she just won't do. She ain't got a penis, he is sexist through and through. His last son died in the Great Galactic War. No one really knows what they were fighting for. The king needs an heir before he bites the dust. A man strong and bold, someone he can trust. An advisor comes to him, he speaks to him alone. He advises that they make a great genetic clone. So that is what they plan, that is what they plot. Maybe they should have just built a robot. The great clone is conceived, but he is a freak. He shuffles like a zombie, miserable and weak. He shouts out in pain, his flesh falling apart. He's such a twisted monster, he was damned from the start. The king has him shot, put out of his misery. Where it all went wrong, he just could not see. The daughter of the king comes to talk to Mac. Smiling at him, a monkey wrench behind her back.